it utterly. 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 Then came a day when she said to him, "Friend, see, I have led you on by words through many a plea. Now is the love hatched and shown to thee. From now on I shall be at your command, you see." The knight looked her in the face as it might be, and saw her much pale and discolored. "Verily, lady," he said, "certainly ill am I served for me, since you did not have this thought long since and early. Your dear face, which seemed the lily's flower to be, has gone, lady, from ill to worse. So it seems to me you have been stolen truly. Too late have you taken this counsel, lady. 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 When the lady heard herself so mocked and so undone, she had great shame and said through her folly then, "By God, vassal, I said it to you in jest and fun. Do you think I would say it to you in earnest then?" Never any day did it come into my thought, not one. Would you know how to love a lady of worth and run? No, by God, rather would you be taken with envy's ken, to kiss and embrace some fair young valet when all is done. "Lady," he said, "I've heard well spoken of your worth, but that is not so now, you see. And of Troy I have heard tell and know that it was once a very great lordship and degree. Now one can find nothing there but empty places free. And so I counsel you thus to excuse yourself for me, that those be blamed for the heresy you from now on will not wish to love you with glee." By God, vassal, much have you a foolish thought when you have reproached me for my age and state. If I had spent all my youth and come to naught, still am I rich and of such great lineage and estate, that one would love me with but little beauty's weight. Scarcely has a full month passed of late since the Marquis sent me his message in my gate, and the Baroy has jousted for my love's own sake. Lady. 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 Lady, he says, "This has grieved you much. I see that you trust in your lordship and your powers fee, but many have sighed for you, a good many, you know. Yet if you were daughter to the king of Carthage, so never any day would they